Did you know that holistic wellness goes way beyond your physical health and includes your mental and emotional well-being? Join us as we explore the transformative world of holistic wellness for beginners in this video. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving deep into the holistic wellness, a comprehensive approach that blends lifestyle, mind, body, for complete well-being. Starting your holistic wellness journey can feel daunting, especially if you're not sure where to begin. Many beginners struggle with balancing different aspects of wellness, from carving out time for self-care to making mindful choices about food and exercise. Prioritizing mental and emotional health in a busy world can also be a challenge. Let's talk about the lifestyle changes that promote holistic wellness. Nutrition is a great starting point. Choose unprocessed foods that nourish your body. Stay active with exercise, whether it's yoga, walking, or your preferred movement. Incorporate mindfulness practices such as meditation or deep breathing to manage stress, and stay grounded. Remember, quality sleep and hydration are just as essential. Keep watching because I have some actionable strategies you can use to elevate your holistic wellness journey and live the healthiest, most balanced life. The key to holistic wellness lies in the balancing of your mind, body, and lifestyle. Neglect in one area can leave you feeling incomplete. By nurturing all three of these, you'll experience an overall sense of well-being and fulfillment. It's about finding healthy habits that align with your personal needs and goals. To wrap up, holistic wellness is about acknowledging the connection between your lifestyle, mind, and body, making thoughtful choices, and these areas can help you cultivate a sustainable and joyful life. Thanks for joining me today. Be sure to check out the holistic wellness tips on my channel and share your own experience in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights into living your best and healthy life. See you in the next video.